guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be trying to build a working lightsaber. So let's hop on the chair. This is connected to our arm. If you... Wait, I messed it up. Let me place a block behind. Save it like this. Then place a butter block there. Oh, now we have everything. Don't want everything though. So like this maybe. Yeah, we're on. Then we can delete this block on anchor, and now we have the butter block on our hand. And build the lightsaber in the butter block. Wait, let's just turn off collision. Look. Then let's reload. Like this it works. So that's good to know. Now let's just try to build a lightsaber in our hand. 45. Put it down to 0. Now we have this there. Now I think I'm going to make a red lightsaber, a Sith lightsaber, because red just looks the best. Well, my opinion is that the red looks the best. You can like whatever lightsaber color you want, but I personally like red. Now we have this. Now I gotta try, like, look, if I place a butter block right here. Yeah, I'm still attached. Now delete that. An anchor down from the sea. Yeah, we have it. Now we got a lightsaber. Now if I take a sword, well, you see the sword, so that's not good. But now we have a lightsaber. Oh. Now we need to make it that it destroys things with spike blocks that are collision off and invisible. Now let's save it like this. Just take a butter block, place it there. Oh, we decapitated our hand. We don't have a hand anymore. I messed something up. Like, I don't have a hand anymore. There. Now. Oh. Fight chair. Ah, stop butter block. Got you. Now this should destroy blocks. Let me turn on PvP. Because it should destroy this ice. Why we attached to it? Why isn't it working? Do these need to be collision on? Let me turn on shift block real quick. Or maybe we can't destroy our own blocks. Anybody wanna try out my light? But we got yeeted and that's not good. But we got a working lightsaber. Maybe we could... Well, I don't have any ideas anymore. We have a lightsaber now. And I think I'm going to try to make a blaster too now. See it? Like the stormtrooper blaster. If you know what I mean. Let me show you. This one. Or just make a working pistol. Could be cool too. Let's sit down, place, log in myself. Place a block here. More stuff. This should be better. So if you place a butter block here, unanchor the whole thing, jump off. Yeah. Like the same. Now we need titanium. Now we have a pistol. Attach it to our hands. Like this one. Collision off. Transparent. This one looks a whole lot better in my hand. It goes up. Have a better idea. If I take this... No. So now we have a gun too. What else should I try build? So maybe what could we add to my body? So I'm gonna try to make an what do you call it? I forgot what they're called. I'm gonna build another lightsaber. This, maybe tilt this one. This one's turning out really great so far. Now let me put this. Make it bigger. Like this. Then we're going to make a green one. Where's the butter block? There. Collision off, make it invisible. Forgot to unanchor. Oh, this one is way better. This fits my hand properly. Probably one. Proper. Look. Way better. Now I forgot to add spike blocks so I can damage people. Isolation off. Yeah, he gets damage. He died! Yes! Why can't I? Minus. Maybe if I put another only. Let me just turn on PvP. Off PvP. Now where are the stupid spike blocks? Yeah, like this one. Save it like this. Now this should work way better in placing the block here. Yes. There. Let me just delete this one. Collision off. Now let's fight him. I have a lightsaber. I'm Butter Block Man. I'm Buttered Block Man. Buttered Block Man. What can I? What did I wanted to add for my head? Gonna add a camera. Oh. I'm cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. Oh god, it works pretty well. Where's the guy? Where's he at? Lightsaber. I'm Balloon Man. Oh. Only need this one. Da 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 da. I have a block as my head. Really cool armor stuff. Jump, 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 jump. Oh god, don't jump. No butter block, please. Oh! Why does this work so well? I can... Oh! What? What? Oh my god! What? Did I just found a glitch? Did I just find a glitch? Go like this. Yes, it works! Oh my god. There, he's coming. Never mind. Oh. Okay, so don't shift lock and equip it. Then this will happen. This is a pretty fun build. It has ultra jump. And I don't even have the candies. Where? Oh. Jump. Look at this. This is ridiculous. You'll never catch me. Oh! We killed each other, bruh. So I would say that's it for this episode. So guys, and see you in the next video. Bye. I mean, that's it for this video. Bye.